What is a home drug test, and is it really worth considering? Welcome, my name is David Jolly, and if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I would really appreciate it if you did. Well, drug testing identifies prescription, over-the-counter, or illegal drugs. In today's world, we now have available to us at-home drug test kits, which many consider more reliable than the laboratory drug tests of yesteryear. These test kits can screen for traces of substances in urine, saliva, breath, or hair. And these tests can be a great way to see if you will test clean for an upcoming drug test or to see if someone else in the family is using drugs. So, parents of teens are big consumers of these at-home drug test kits. The testing procedure for these home drug tests is usually pretty straightforward, and the results can be obtained in as little as 5 minutes. If you're interested, I have filmed another video on the top at-home drug tests, and the link to these specific tests is in the description below. There are two types of at-home drug tests available to the consumer: the self-tests and the self-collection tests. Self-tests are also commonly referred to as rapid tests, drug screening tests, or point-of-care tests, but they're the same thing. These tests examine a test sample at home, and the results are available quickly, usually in about 5 minutes. Self-collection tests permit the user to collect a sample at home, and then you mail it into a laboratory for assessment. Results from these self-collection tests usually take a few business days to finalize and are generally considered more reliable. Not all at-home drug tests are created equal, however. If you're buying an at-home drug test from the dollar store, for instance, be cautious with the results and be certain you examine the expiration date to ensure the test is still viable. The other important thing to consider when purchasing an at-home drug test is what it measures. Not every test looks for every drug. There are drug tests that check for a wide range of drugs, while others look only for specific drugs like marijuana, for example. I, for one, highly recommend at-home drug testing as a quick, affordable, and relatively reliable way to see if you're clean and clear for an upcoming drug test for employment or legal purposes, or if you're a concerned parent and want to check in with your teenage kids. At-home drug testing is convenient, non-invasive, and the results are almost immediate. Of course, don't completely rely on these tests, as they're not as trustworthy as the laboratory testing, and I do recommend testing at least twice and on different days to ensure greater accuracy. Well, for more videos on cannabis, drug testing, and the law, please subscribe to this channel.